Dear students, continuing with our lecture series on named reactions, this is our 18th lecture, and today we will discuss what is Tabbe olefination. Tabbe olefination is basically the utilization of Tabbe reagent for conversion of ketones or carbonyl compounds into methylene compounds. And this conversion of carbonyl compounds into methylene compounds using Tabbe reagent in presence of Lewis base as a catalyst is called as Tabbe's olefination. And Tabbe reagent is formed from dicyclopentadiene in titanium dichloride. So, which is called as titanosin dichloride, and this is an organotitanium compound with this formula, where titanium chloride is linked to two other cyclopentadiene uh, molecules. This metallocene is a common reagent for organic synthesis and organometallic synthesis. This titanosin dichloride, this exists as a bright red solid, and this slowly hydrolyzes in air, and it is biologically active and has shown anti-tumor activity, and has been used as a chemotherapy drug also. The modification of this titanosin dichloride leads to the formation of Tabbe reagent. So when two equivalents of trimethyl aluminium, they are reacted with titanosin dichloride, they are converted into this type of reagent, which is called as Tabbe reagent. And Tabbe reagent is not directly involved in conversion of carbonyls into the methylene compounds, but this loses dimethyl aluminium chloride to get converted into this titanosin carbene reagent, which is the active reagent for conversion of carbonyl compounds into the methylene compounds. So the mechanism of this reaction is basically the Tabbe reagent, which has been formed from titanosin dichloride in presence of base as catalyst undergo elimination of dimethyl aluminium chloride and is converted into this Schrock carbene uh, as the intermediate, and this is the active Tabbe reagent which reacts with the carbonyl compound, and we will get this type of oxatano cyclobutane intermediate in the reaction, and then this will undergo elimination of dicyclopentadiene titanium oxide from this intermediate, and a molecule of methylene derivative of carbonyl compound will be formed. So this is how carbonyl compounds, they are converted into methylene compound through Tabbe reagent, and this is an important reaction for the formation of a carbon-carbon double. So there are few common examples. For example, phenacyl bromide or alpha bromoacetophenone. In presence of Tabbe reagent, the carbonyl will be converted into the corresponding methylene compound. And when this methylene compound formed by Tabbe methylation is reacted with phenyl sulfonyl amide, this is converted into this type of 1,6-diene, and this 1,6-diene can undergo cyclization in presence of oxygen under photochemical conditions to give us 1,2,5 dioxazepanes as the. So this is the importance of Tabbe methylation, that alpha bromoacetophenones, they can be converted into these types of 7-membered heterocyclic azepanes as the product. Then some other examples are, for example, in this compound, which is a lactone, this group is a lactone group. The carbonyl group of this lactone can selectively be converted into the methylene group in presence of Tabbe reagent, and we can see that this pevolate ester group is not affected. Instead, only the carbonyl of the lactone gets converted into the methylene group. This carbonyl is not affected. So we can see that the Tabbe reagent is a selective reagent for conversion of lactones into the corresponding methylene ethers as the product. Similarly, in this compound, you can see this is a methyl ester having these types of silyl derivatives which are protecting here this is protecting the carboxylic acid group, here this is protecting the hydroxyl group. So tertiary butyl dimethylsilyl group is attached to this for protection of these groups. And you can see that regioselective methylation in presence of Tabbe reagent do not affect these tertiary butyl dimethylsilyl groups. And only this keto group is converted into the methylene group by this Tabbe reagent to give us enol ethers as the product. So enol ethers, they are formed as the product. Similarly, these types of amides and methyl and phenyl amides in presence of Tabbe reagent, they get converted into the corresponding methylene group. So this carbonyl is converted into this methylene group. So this is very important reaction for the synthesis of enamines. Enamines. So this is amine part, this is ene part. So enamines, they can be synthesized from tertiamides using Tabbe reagent. Then a few more examples. Here again you can see this is a lactone in presence of this active Tabbe reagent. This can be converted into the corresponding methylene. Enol ethers, they can be formed as the product. So then in the second example, this is ethyl ester. So ethyl ester in presence of this active titanosin carbene reagent gets converted into this carbonyl is converted into methylene group. So enol ethers, they are formed as the product. So the esters or lactones, they are converted into enol ethers as the product using Tabbe reagent as catalyst. Then and this is again very important reaction where alkylation of carboxylic acid derivatives. So this is an ester molecule, ester moiety present in the molecule, and this is an alkene moiety present in the molecule. So Tabbe reagent selectively converts this ester group into the corresponding methylene. This carbonyl is converted into the methylene group, and there is no effect on this alkene, but when this is refluxed for 4 hours in presence of Tabbe reagent, this will undergo cyclization and removal of this group to give us these types of uh, tricyclic enol ethers as the product. So in the first step, these types of alkynyl esters, they are converted into these types of dienes, and then these dienes, they undergo cyclization under reflux conditions to get converted into tricyclic enol ethers as the product. So this is again a very good example of formation of a carbon-carbon bond from carbon oxygen. So these are the references which have been used for preparing this lecture on Tabbe reagent or Tabbe olefination. Thank you very much.